Mr. Gordon Burke, who's an Afro-Caribbean medical student. When Ahmadiyya reaches the same age as Christianity, do you think the original message of Ahmadiyya would have deteriorated?
Yes, definitely. 2000 years is a lot of time, and messages do deteriorate. Like the buildings, like the great palaces built by people, earlier people, everything deteriorates. Only it's God who remains undeteriorated. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وسارعوا إلى مغفرة من ربكم وجنة أرضها السماوات والأرض أعدت للمتقين. This is verse number 134 from chapter Al Imran, which is number 4, which is number 3. And the translation of this verse is, and vie with one another in asking for forgiveness from your Lord and for a paradise whose price is the heavens and the earth, prepared for the God-fearing.
Now the price is wrongly translated here. Arzuha means the expense, the breadth and width and length. So unfortunately there's some mistakes in the translation, because arz can also be translated literally as price. So the translator first thought of that meaning, so he can't be said to be wrong, but in this context he is wrong. Because Ahmadiyya, the Holy Prophet, did not understand it in this concept of value, of cost. That is why when he recited this verse before his companions, he said, if the expanse of the earth, they didn't say the price, if the expanse of the earth is covering the whole universe, then where the head would be? Yes.